do. I'm trying to create some summer hairstyles, and I'm trying to be original. Hello. I have covered up one of my summer hairstyles that I've done. What's underneath this scarf will be shown in my next video after the one that you're getting ready to see. I found some footage from February and where I was styling my leather. I will be showing you how I wore a leather skirt and leather jacket with jeans and a white shirt. So stay tuned for that. When you see me in this video after this clip and you don't see me wearing red, that is the footage from February 2nd. And I wanted you to see how I styled leather. I wanted you to see that sometimes I would wear leather. I hope you enjoyed the video. I just didn't want to waste the footage. I love spending time with you. Enjoy your day and keep watching. Thank you, subscribers, for what you're doing. Thank you for moving those numbers up. Thank you for your support, your wonderful comments, and just being a part of the Gene G family. I am so happy to have you in my circle. And for those of you that are watching this video right now, if you have not joined this family by clicking the subscribe button, do it now. I've waited, and all it takes is one push of the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know when I upload a video. Come on, we love having you. We talk about Sisterlocks, caring for Sisterlocks. We talk about family, friends, and the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. So come on and join in. Come on. The interaction is so much fun. Now make sure that you subscribe, comment, and like this video. And also tell me which look you like best. Thank you. Since I'm featuring leather in this video, and this outfit has no leather. I do want you to know that these pants and this shirt has been thrifted. I will be featuring 2 leather jackets. One is faux leather and the other is leather. Let's see if you can determine which one is leather. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He keeps blessing me over and over and over again. Because He blesses me, I can also bless others. And I appreciate God for all that He does in me and through me.